how to change subtitle language in Loklok. So if you want to change the subtitle language in Loklok, what you need to do is first open up your Loklok application, go and create an account. Now once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with me, which is on the bottom right. And now you need to just go with settings. Under settings, you may have a subtitle option, but if you don't find it, you can also go with the language, and under language, you can go and change your language. And it might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back to your home page and go and tap a video. And under your video, you might have a 3 dots on the top right. And once you tap on it, you may have subtitles. You can go and change the subtitles. But the subtitles might not be available for all of the videos right here. It might be limited. So make sure that your video that you're watching has the option to change the subtitle. And once it has the option, you can go with settings and change it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.